Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a CCTV effect on Higgsfield AI. So if you're not aware of what Higgsfield AI can do, it's a free online platform that allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects for your projects. So you can actually create various image styles using this Higgsfield AI. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your account on a platform, then scroll and choose the Higgsfield. So scroll down and choose the CCTV option here. Then you should be brought to a web page similar to what I have on my screen here that gives you a CCTV like footage camera angle, rather not footage, camera angle of the image. So it appears as if the person is being filmed by a CCTV camera. So you can click on generate to have to start from scratch. But if you do not want that, if you see an image that you already like, you can just click on the image. Let me say I want to create this image in particular. All I have to do is click on it, and it will I can actually click on recreate, and it should take me to a page where I can actually um modify these prompts here so it can give me what I want. So I can actually just recreate this. I can change some words here and then hit the generate button, and it will give me what I want, but I do not want to do that. So you just there are two options here. You can use this to change the aspect ratio of your image. So this is in 9 by 16. You can change it to 2 by 3 or 16 by 9 depending on what you intend to use the picture for. You can also change this from high to basic. High uses 2 credits and a basic uses a single credit for generation. You are given 5 credits per day for generation, which means that you can generate between 2 to 5 images per day for free on the account you create on Higgsfield AI. So once it's done, you can actually either edit it or animate it. And if you want to animate it, you can add a video or speech section to it and download it here once completed. And that will be it, guys. So if you have any question related to this, you can actually ask me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys there. Also, please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.